memory and mention the functions of each component. You're already aware of it, right? You don't have any problem with this question, I felt. It's very simple. You should write the diagram and explain all the components. Okay. See, I'll just want to give you one small information over here. By 12 o'clock, it's 11:32 now. By 12 o'clock, we have a small quiz for you. Okay, a small quiz for you. So there is some around 15 questions are there. You attempt that. Okay, so don't think about too much of marks and all. Don't worry. It's one sample quiz for you. Okay, just attempt it. You will get you are able to just check yourself how much you are understood the concept of your CO right now, whatever we have covered. So in that way, a simple quiz, it's very simple questions are there. You can easily attempt. So I'm going to give you, there is 15 questions are there. So I'm providing you 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes is available for you. So you can take 20 minutes. It's very simple questions. You can easily attempt the questions and you're able to see. So if anybody who are not there in the class, so inform all your friends to log into the Bygod as early as possible, to take that as a simple sample MCQs, so that you are able to go through that question. You can analyze what and all we have understood. Any mistake, anything you felt, oh, I'm not at all understood this concept in such way. So here it's all related to your assignment questions and the portions whichever I've covered till now. Okay, that's one thing I just want to share with you. And here, as I told you, this processor memory and see, some students are giving the answer by some other somebody already give the answer. Some faculty has given the answers means. Please, I'm not telling you don't use that. Don't. It's not like don't use anybody's content. You should use textbook only. It is not like that. Just see that answer. Okay. So see that particular answer. If you got already answers by somebody else, see that answer. It is up to the point, up to the question. Then you can copy that answer. Okay. So you should know. I think by hearing the lecture, you can make out what that question is, requesting and what answer you are supposed to present over there. Okay. So that's one thing I just want to tell you. Almost all, many were. I think yesterday some people sent the answers to me. I couldn't see. Sorry for that. But as soon as I say, I'll give a reply that this is the answer correct. This is the answer. Need to be a little more information is required, like that. Okay. So I think by that first question, you're able to understand very easily. I have to draw the diagram. So inside the diagram, what and all components are there? Please see. And here, while you're writing the answer, I just want to see. Suppose here you're writing this diagram. Okay. So this diagram is what your interaction between. This is your memory, and this is all PC. Okay. PC, ALU, everything is available, isn't it? So it's your processor. This is your memory. Okay, my one question is, while you're explaining, write the diagram, and you should take the diagram as shown in the above diagram. You should consider the diagram and you should start explaining the same diagram. It's not like that diagram is separate and your explanation is separate. It could not be like that. Okay, so give a name to this diagram. What is that? For example, figure. What is this figure? The interaction between processor, memory, and input output device, like that. You take that dimension it figure number one, give that what is the diagram it is. Okay, then you write it as shown from the above diagram. So we will consider all the components of the computer, and explanation is as follows. Okay, so you should connect, your answer should be connected to the diagram. It's something like a diagram is separate and your answer is separate. It should not be like that. Okay, so that's what one thing I just want to give you as information. Okay, so by that I have revised that, I think. So if you take the second one, explain the basic operational concepts, isn't it? So I told you already, you should take one example. So what example you have to take? So I told you already, add location, right? This is the example. So I think, so this example I have just shown. Add location, comma A. So like this, you should add the contents of location to contents of A. So any example in the textbook, they have provided already one example. So take that and explain each step of how the operation takes place. First, I go to a program counter, take the with that address, load this instruction to the instruction register, then take the location, data from the location, then take the data from location BA. Okay, then add both of them. So it's like that. So that's operational steps you should explain. That's all with that. Okay, so I think by that, if you take second question, any doubts? See, if you have any doubts, please pose a question here and ask me directly. Use the microphone and please ask me. Okay, so if you take second question, big Indian and little Indian, isn't it? So you should take two diagrams. Two diagrams you should take and explain each. That's all. Okay, so here the following, it's only around one line. This is, see here, what is address space, one line answer. What is fetch and store, one or two lines answer. That's all. Here, which is the basic performance equation, right? You have one basic performance equation, isn't it? So that basic performance equation also, you have an equation. What is that? N is equal to S into, T is equal to N into S divided by R. That each and every component you have to explain. That's all. Nothing else. Then we have 3B. 3B. You're there in the class now? You're audible, my voice? Somebody type for me. It's ma'am, you're audible like that. I think I'm audible, isn't it? Yes, no, I'm audible. I'm telling you a hint actually. Still, you're already go through your assignment writing now. So by that, I'm giving one small hint. How much you should write, in what way you should write. Okay, like that. Exactly. So if you take straight line sequencing and branching, some student has sent one message to me. It's very big and how much to write and all. See, take the diagram. Okay, one example you take. Sequencing one example program, branching one example program, and explain that program. That's all. Nothing else. And with one definition, what is straight line sequencing, and with one explanation of what is branching. That's all. Nothing else. Okay, so this question, if you feel it was it was a bit more marks required means, so as I already told you, sometimes in exams they may ask more lengthy question as 10 marks question. So like that, I told you, you write as per the point required in exam. While you're writing an exam, how much ever marks is required, in that way you should write it. Okay, so then basic performance equation I already told you. And what do you mean by bus system associated diagram? Single bus structure. It is very simple. Single bus structure, right? So this is a single bus structure. So like this is see, this is single bus structure, right? So what is a single bus structure? I already told you. So this is something known as processor. This is known as memory. Okay, so memory, processor, and this you have some input-output devices, right? Input devices and output devices. Okay, input or output. Like this, you have n number of input-output devices. Okay, input-output device 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So these are all connected with single bus. Okay, this you have to explain. That's all. Nothing else. Okay, pa? Then you have evaluation of expression. See, and here you have C is equal to A plus B for 3B. I think I've already given an answer for this. Yes or no? I've given already answer for this, isn't it? I've already provided. So inform all your friends. Okay, there was only 65 students are there. So we'll take some quiz will be start by 12 o'clock. So please, I request your friends also. You can make out now who is not here in the classroom. Please inform them. One small test quiz is there. So please let them attend the test. Okay. Please inform them. There is around 67 are there. I want all the students should be there. Okay. Okay. Please, everyone should attend the test. MCQs. A small sample quiz test. Okay. Inform all your friends. Whoever is not there, please tell them. And I think the 3B you want you want me to give the answer once again? Not required, no? 3B already I've given, right? 3B very clearly we have solved together, right? So 3B I'm not going to give you. Okay, already given, no? 3B. Yes or no? Yes or no? 3B already given the answer, so no need to write one, no need to give one more time. Not required. And 3C, 3C also I told you. See, 3B already I told you, right? The answer I have very clearly given. What is the exact, how to write? C is equal to A plus B. So for this, C is equal to A plus B. How to write? 3 address instruction, 2 address instruction, and 1 address instruction. And for the 3C also, one bus, single bus structure I told you just now, same thing. And fourth question also I've given answer, right? Fourth I already have given, isn't it? I've already given an answer to you, so no need to write one more time, isn't it? Already I've given answer for 4A, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or no? 4A. Am I already given to you? No problem with 4A, I think. I've already given. If you take 4B, it's very simple. So you have to define what is performance measurement, and you have to explain what is spec rating. Okay, so performance measurement definition you have to write. Then spec rating, spec rating is equal to what? So the running time of your computer under test divided by computer under reference. Okay, so that thing you have to analyze, isn't it? I think you are able to see that answer already in the explanation I've already given. So spec rating is very important. So running time on the reference computer divided by running time on the computer under test. Okay, so that you have to explain. That's very simple. You have to give that one formula, isn't it? So that's what we required for fourth B. Okay, I think fourth B almost I have already explained you. Okay, spec rating is equal to what? And the formula I have to write sigma phi is equal to 1 to n. Okay, so and that definition. What's the meaning of that? Okay, so that's in simple way you have to give the answer for that. Then for fourth C, we are already solved, isn't it? I have already solved in the class. That same problem we have discussed it with all the values we have kept inside the that formula. So which formula we have used it? So T is equal to N into S divided by R, right? So what's the formula? So the formula is T is equal to N into S divided by R, isn't it? So for that we have incorporated all the values. I think N value is equal to 1000, isn't it? And S value we're already aware of it, and R value is equal to 1 gigahertz, isn't it? So we have just put the values inside the formula. Okay, so by that fourth C, I've already given the answer for that question. Next, fifth question. Any doubts you have right now? Any doubts regarding question number 4? Till here, any doubts you have? Any answer you feel, ma'am, one more time I didn't get? Can you ask me now? Anybody have any doubts? You can pose a question to me. Okay, this is a class for you people only, not for anything else. Just for your writing assignment. I just want to give you a hand together to you. How much to write, what to write, and all. Okay, it's very simple thing. Already I have given all the page number, everything I have given, but still. Okay, so still if you feel somewhere difficulty, okay, fourth to say everybody got the answer, right? So no need to give that answer one more time, isn't it? They're already solved in the classroom directly. Okay, so addressing modes also. See, I told you we have all the addressing modes: direct, immediate, indirect, index, base with index, program relative, auto increment, auto decrement, isn't it? So all that are there. You have to explain with one instruction. You have to take and explain that. Okay, so it's completely 10 marks question. Completely 10 marks question. It's for you only. Okay, so you have to present the things properly so that you can grab all 10 marks easily. Okay, then we have sixth question. What is stack frame? Okay, I think we have what is stack frame? We have. I think you're able to see this. What is stack frame? I think the question number, yeah, you're already aware of it. What is stack frame, how it looks? So I think you're able to see this. So stack frame consisting of what? Some parameters. So stack, nothing but what? When I call the subroutine, I required one, storage area or a memory to keep all the data. Okay, so when I call here in the void main, I may call one function, isn't it? Suppose I'll call here on the add. So now what and all I want parameters to be sent, add a comma b. Suppose you assume it is a comma b. So what and all you have to send it to your calling function. So parameters you want to send, write it parameters, and anything else. So parameters should be here below. right? After that, written addresses. If you have any written address, so write that written address. And after that, FP, very, very important. I told you already what is FP. Okay, file pointer, sorry, frame pointer. Along with that, if you have any register, that also you can have it here. So this is what stack frame. So main function are called function to calling function. Okay, so between those two, I require some memory to keep some information like parameters, so like registers. Okay, some data I required while I'm calling subroutine. So in that situation, I'm going to use the stack memory, memory in the form of stack. I already told you stack is a data structure. That's all. In the memory, how to keep the data, in what manner, in what order, that is stack. Okay, so that is consisting of stack is there, queue is there. Stack means what? So you can enter the data from one lower memory. I'll give one standard memory. So above that you can go on inserting the elements, pushing the elements. You can take out the element if you want. That is known as pop operation. That's about stack frame. And shift and rotate. Shift and rotate operations. I think we have done already arithmetic shift and logical shift and rotate, right? So those two things are there. Shift and rotate. Just take one diagram and explain. Okay. Logical shift and arithmetic shift is there. Rotate also. Logical rotate is there. Arithmetic rotate won't be there. Okay. And here seventh question. If you see this, I think for seventh question I've already given an answer to you. Okay, everybody got the answer for seventh. I think nothing to worry, right? I think already provided, so no need to give. Yeah, ma'am, do we need to write for program for sixth? Yeah, 1 second. Stack frame. No, Ankita, don't want. No, don't want. Take the diagram and explain, Ankita. That's better. Okay. Okay, then one more question. Ma'am, is the CO assignment questions changed? No, Ananya, it has not been changed. Same question only. No questions has been changed. Everything is same only. Not even one question have changed. Okay, Ananya? Fourth B now. Fourth B question. No. Performance measurement. Same, no. Same question only, this one. Explain important function. Yeah, but that's fine, no, Ananya. Only one assignment. We don't have duplicate copy only one copy we have. Anybody having such kind of question? Because Ananya was telling actually, a fourth question is changed here in this slide, whichever I'm showing. I'm telling her no, it is not changed. Same question paper only, same assignment questions only. Yeah, same only, no change. See, you should pose the question like this. Then only I can come to know what problems my students are facing. I'm here to help you, right? We are here to help you. Okay. So next, explain the importance of input-output interface. Yeah, which question number it is? I'll come to that. Which question it is? Importance of next page barata. Line bartira. Somebody please come to line. The problems in the question number 5. Now assignment questions कितने नंगे? Somebody should come to line and should speak to me. Once again, come to line. Anaga, you only come to line, pa. Or Ananya, come to line, Ananya. Microphone use ಮಾಡಿ. Use the microphone. Yeah. Speak.
Ma'am, that problem that it is in question number 5 in Byguide, whatever that assignment is there. And fourth question, 3 parts are there. And that fifth question, first part is there, ma'am. I don't know. That is in fourth.
Anaga
Yes,
Shri,
ma'am.
one ನಿಮಿಷ. Anaga Shri, I'm not audible, your voice not clear to me.
Now is it clear?
No, I'm not able to hear your voice. Is somebody else? Yaru Ananya. Ananya idira? Ananya there? You are there? No? Use the microphone, Ananya. I'm not able to hear Anagashri's voice. Okay. Okay. Anaga, just be there. Yes, ma'am, but my microphone is not working. Yeah. Okay. Anaga, one nimsha. See, Anaga, you're there in line, no? See,
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
See, Ananya, you're telling question number 5 is different,
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth is different question I have given in the assignment question,
Their fifth question is part A, what is addressing mode, and part B is problem.
Why B's problem? Okay, that you have seen in the Bygod, no? Okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
Ananya. Nothing to worry. Don't don't be panic. I will see. You will start your test now by 12 o'clock. That MCQs. Okay, so you take the test. By that time, I will see to that Bygod question whichever we have uploaded. I will just see to it. Okay, now.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. I will go and I'll check it out. Any mistake is there, I will solve your problem. Nothing to worry. Okay,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
Chaitra ma'am is there for another section. I think there may be a little bit I don't know whether she has uploaded as I have uploaded. I don't know how it has been changed. It's okay, don't worry, I will solve your problem. So by that time you will go and take the quiz. Okay, now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. So 12 o'clock your quiz will be start. So while you're taking your quiz, I'm going to see to it by that duration. Okay, is it fine if I go and do that work by that time? And as soon as you come by, the test will start by 12 o'clock, and each student will get only 20 minutes time. Okay, even though the time is scheduled for 30 minutes, 12 to 12:30, you will get each student will get only 10 minutes. Okay, now, because 10 minutes will be for those who will get into a login, maybe. Okay, little bit time required. That is why now you in Bygod only I have there one link is there. You are not able to see that link right now. I'll enable it now. Okay, in Bygod only. So I'll enable that. You are able to see that. I think I have hidden that from students. So it will start now by 12 o'clock. Everybody go and take that MCQs, solve it. It's very simple. Then after 12:30, again you come back. Okay. By the time I'll solve all these problems. What is that consequence? Okay. If I feel, I'll give you that which is the correct question. Okay, now. Fine. Yes. Okay. Now 11:55 it is. 11:55 it is. You can be ready. 12 o'clock it will start. If you be there in Bygod only, it's okay. If you're there also, fine. I think. If you switch on to that quiz, if you feel you're out of the Bygod, fine it is. Okay. So go to your that main dashboard. There you have that. I'll enable it right now. I'm just make you you should able to see, right? So I'll be done and make you yeah, I'll just make it unhide for you. Be in the big god, but don't discuss among yourself. So you attempt it. If it starts by 12 o'clock exactly. So already I told you, even the test will start by 12 o'clock. It will end by 12:30, but every student will get only 20 minutes, not more than that. Okay. And inform to your friends also, whoever not there in the session. Okay. I think uh, think you're able to see now. Go ahead. Quiz will start by 12 o'clock exactly. Okay, all the best. Yeah, so it's just for analyzing yourself, how much you have understood, in what way you have understood. So like that, nothing to worry. See, do your 100%, that's all. It's all related to your assignment questions only, nothing else. Okay, 10 more 2 minutes are there. Okay. Kamal, Kamal, see, so internals marks, so I'm not adding this marks to your internals and all, not no Kamal, but you analyze yourself, that's all. If you get less marks, fine with it, nothing to worry. It's in analyzing yourself, that's all, Kamal. I'm not going to add this marks to your internals anyway, I'm not going to add, don't worry. But don't think like, okay, anyway, ma'am is not counting for internals, I'll just neglect it. Don't do that, okay? So sometimes we required how the people are good at the way of how they have understood. In such way, if I find, okay, they're very good at in quiz and all, they have did very well, and I'll just keep in my mind, just a matter step. Give an attempt, understand the concept, that's all. It's very simple, okay? But don't ask me any questions that regarding the answers. Okay, please don't ask me any questions regarding the answers. During the process, if you feel, ma'am, I was stuck here, what to do and all, that kind of questions you ask me. Don't put questions like, and don't put any questions in the group. Particularly any group, 3A you have WhatsApp group, in that please don't put any questions. Any queries you have, please you can put me in my WhatsApp only. Don't put it in group, so that everybody will do the same thing. They'll copy and they'll do the things which is, not proper way. Still, if you have any problems, you can call me directly. Okay, I think everyone done. So, was the quiz you felt easy, difficult, or confusing?